In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can align text vertically in Google Sheets. So let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Sheets, and then we have this text at the top or on the cells. So first is we just need to increase this size or the width, okay, for the text for the cells. Then you have to select this one. Just need to move your cursor on each cell that you need to align vertically. Okay, so once you have selected all the cells that you need to align vertically, look at the down arrow symbol at the top, which is vertical align. Click on this drop down and you have three options. It could be top, middle, or bottom. Now let's go with middle, and that's it. You can also go with bottom. You can also go with top. Okay, so it's up to you. And that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.